Welcome CNG 124 online. This is our Tuesday kickoff video. Just got back in from vacation last night. So let's see how this is going to go. Okay, for this week, I haven't got any discussions read yet. Just wanted to post this video before it got too late in the day. This week is not a reading week. February 20, right there. This week, no assigned reading, no new news to put up. I left that video in. Once again, I usually leave the old videos in just so you guys don't feel like you're left out of the dark on what's going on with the week. Once again, the courses usually stay relatively the same, but the internal contents just get updated slightly. So I have two lab videos for 8 and 9. Once you dive into the labs themselves, we're using Packet Tracer just a little bit more advanced than we used it the first time. This one you should see I can't set anything, I can't install anything on this computer because it's a school's computer. But at home you should be, once you open that Packet Tracer, you're going to see like a switch network. Actually, this week's a hub network connected to a computer connected to a hub that's connected to other computers, and you get to be able to see how the system itself slows down. And if I can make it home on time, I can definitely show you how it does. Once again, I think my video is with Packet Tracer 6, which then went to 7. And maybe if I can do a little commentary on this as it goes. The only real difference is that the Packet Tracer colors change, but the functionality of Packet Tracer really doesn't change at all. And it doesn't look like I have Packet Tracer in there. So I'll set up a Packet Tracer video for you to follow along with. So that one's the Wireshark video. I don't think it was updated yet to a new Wireshark version, so we should be okay with that. Okay, so I don't have a Packet Tracer video. This one's just subnetting more. Okay, so I'll get working on a Packet Tracer video. I just need a computer that I have admin rights on to get that going for you. But once again, I believe in the Build a Hub network. Here's your Packet Tracer file that you will need to download and use. Don't try to make your own Build a Hub network. Please use the file that I provide here to modify that. That should get you going for the homework. I'll make a video that's updated with the Packet Tracer 7.2 version, possibly tomorrow, to get that updated for you. Once again, the only real difference is you may hear in the picture may show, let's check it out. It may show a picture of the borders being like yellow and slightly bluish. Okay, it doesn't say anything. Great, great. Yeah, so let me make a video for that one to kind of help you guys along if you get stuck. But with that, that's all I really want to get going for this week. I should get everything graded more thoroughly this week. If I missed anything from last week, it should be graded this week. So just be aware of that I'm really just catching up from missing Friday and Monday. Excellent, and that's what I'll leave you guys with. Let's see, this week, yeah, no reading, no extra assignments. It's mostly applying everything we know and getting used to Packet Tracer in a more thorough dive, because we really start after this week and next week. We start using Packet Tracer more as a learning tool, so we can see networking going on in the background. Make sure to read those comments I leave you back on your homework, because that'll help you out through the week.